Hey, and welcome back to Jilly's Nails. This is day 11 of the 31 days of Halloween nails. We're going to go in first and do a quick, guess what, peel off base coat. I'm sure you're shocked 11 days into it that we're doing another peel off base coat, but we are. We're just going to go ahead and layer that up on all of the nails very quickly. We are using a thick layer so it will come off easily for me. And then I'm going to go in with a color that came out of a Mani by Me subscription box. I think it was the June box. It had dinosaurs in it. So this one is called Ducky. Yep, yep, yep. Super cute. I love it. As soon as I opened it, I just ran around going, yep, 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 for hours. It's adorable. The color that matches that one that came with it too is called Littlefoot. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, you're too young to be watching my videos. Just kidding. Just kidding. Anybody, any age can watch them. So we're going to go through and do 2 layers of this color. And this one, because it is a stamping polish, is a little bit thicker and it looks a little bit lumpy until you go through and put a top coat on it, and then it smooths out very nicely. But we are going to do 2 full coats. And I've talked about this a few times before, but I always start a little bit in front of my cuticle and kind of bump the brush back into the cuticle line. That helps make it neat and tidy around that cuticle line, and it also helps keep you from getting polish all over your cuticles. It's not a guarantee because Lord knows I do it all the time, but it does help with the situation. So once we have all of those done, we are going to bust out our liquid latex and put that around the fingers to protect them for stamping. We're going to use plates that I showed you in my last video. The last video was the black cats and the moon. So if you want a very detailed review on these plates, you can hear that in the last video that I had. I'll put a link to it for you. And we are going to use the hat, the little witch's hat off of this plate in a very dark purple color. It's a very pretty shade. And we're just doing some simple stamping. There's a little bit of layered stamping here in a little bit, but I just wanted to do some cute and easy witches. So this one is going to go on the index finger. In case you missed it, that's my last manicure, those jack-o'-lanterns, which are kind of cracking me up right now because they look like they have a 50s bowl haircut instead of it looking like the night sky. But whatever. I'm going to clean that plate off and switch over to the other plate that came in the Mani by Me box last month. This one we're going to use 2 designs from it. And you can see there's plenty of designs there. This one has black hats on it. It has all kinds of adorable little witchy sayings on it. The one that we are going to use for this manicure says, "Yes, I can drive a stick." It's so cute. I love it. It was my favorite the second I saw it. I was like, yep, that's going on my nails. So that one is definitely one of my favorites. And we're just going to pick it up and press straight up and straight back down on the nail. At some point, we're going to do that. There we go. And as you can see, it transferred off very easily. So we are going to clean up the plate. And then we're going to do a little bit of a different kind of layered stamping. These designs are really cute, but they have different layers in that design, like it has gaps for color. I don't want the green to show through as much, so I'm going to use this lighter kind of I think it's called lilac something purple shade as a backdrop. And then I will go back in with the darker purple and do that on top. So everything that shows through will be a lighter purple and a darker purple. It'll give you some shadowing and a little bit of layering and texture to it, which I really enjoy that in polishes when you can go in and do the layers like that and not have to be so detailed. Like the clown mani I did, you have to sit there with a toothpick or a cuticle stick or a dotting tool and a hand to go through and put every little detail in. You still get a little bit of variety with this without having to hand paint every detail to make something look cute. Now, I do consider this a more easy manicure and design. There are definitely much harder ones than this out there, but it's not, just perfectly easy. It's not, I wouldn't necessarily call it beginner, but it's not quite advanced either. So to finish up this mani, and I lost some footage here, I apologize for that, but We are just going to take off that latex tape. I did put a top coat on, and I just did a shiny top coat. So I really hope you enjoy this manicure. I think it's incredibly cute. If you have any questions about any of the techniques that were in the video, let me know below. And please smash my face to give me a subscribe. Love to hear your comments, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.